Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. App and OS are updated, your connection is stable, and device time is automatic so tokens match. Once done, disable any VPN or proxy that could alter requests. Now open Facebook and tap Forgot Password. Request a code to your email or phone. Use that code immediately, then enter a new strong password. Doing these first steps prevents the common unknown error caused by mismatched time, blocked requests, or stale app builds. If the quick reset failed, clear the app cache or reinstall and try from a desktop browser in incognito mode. This rules out corrupt storage or bad cookies. Next, use recovery options, trusted contacts, backup codes, or Facebook's code generator if you previously enabled it. Make sure to inspect login activity and remove any unknown devices before finalizing a new password. These middle steps address token conflicts and account locks that produce the mysterious. Once you set a new password, sign in to verify it works and then log out other sessions to invalidate old tokens. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and store backup codes. Update your recovery email and phone. If you still see the unknown error, try a different browser or device. Use incognito, or submit Facebook's account recovery form with a government ID. That troubleshooting tip resolves persistent server-side or verification mismatches that simple resets cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.